artistic critique is about my own piece of work. This was my carved biomorphic abstraction sculpture. As you can see, it's made of a purple material that's a dense styrofoam medium. It's a rectangular shape with a hole in the middle, almost like a donut, but rather an almond shaped. The almond shape complements the rectangular shape rather than a circle. The edges are mostly smooth, but you can tell that they're still carved with some bumps, and this edge has some pointy ridges. There's no sense of symmetry to this piece in the way this side dips in and this one comes out. So analyzing this piece, the hole through the center adds emphasis to the piece and becomes a focal point, as well as, I believe, the pointy ridges on the side becomes a focal point as well. The use of some smooth edges and then other edges with the minimal bumps keeps your eye moving around the piece. The asymmetrical proportion on the sides in regards to the thickness affects the harmony of the piece, but not in a negative way. It keeps your eye moving and questioning the purpose behind the piece. To me, this piece reminds me of southern Utah, and specifically Arches National Park. The use of some smooth parts, but also intimate and small bumps, gives me that idea, as well as the hole in the middle. It demonstrates a biomorphic form very well, and you can't immediately decide what it is, but it gets the viewer's mind to think and ponder as to where they've seen forms similar to this. It shows a very free and messy side of the artist because of the immense asymmetric form. I think that this work is very unique. It has made me think deeper as to what this work is trying to resemble. Critiquing it has changed my feelings of the work from giving me the thought of something that's just oddly shaped, say an oddly shaped donut, to something that's more beautiful and unique that shows up in nature. I think that this piece keeps the viewer constantly thinking and never settling on one thing that it reminds them of in regards to the overall shape of the work.